The 1970s marked the golden age of American muscle cars. It was a time when gas was cheap, horsepower was king, and automotive engineers were pushing the boundaries of what was possible on four wheels. Before emissions regulations strangled performance, Detroit built some of the fastest production cars in history. Here are the 10 fastest cars from that decade. 10. 1970 Buick GSX Stage 1. At number 10, the 1970 Buick GSX Stage 1. Don't let the Buick badge fool you. This was a serious performer. With its 455 cubic inch V8 producing 360 horsepower and a massive 510 pound-feet of torque, car and driver recorded a 0 to 60 time of 5.5 seconds and a quarter mile of 13.38 seconds at 105 miles per hour. The GSX was Buick's answer to the muscle car wars, and it delivered. Number 9, the 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge with Ram Air 4. The car that started the muscle car revolution wasn't about to bow out quietly. Its 400 cubic inch Ram Air 4 engine put out 370 horsepower, launching the Judge from 0 to 60 in 5.4 seconds. Motor Trend clocked it at 13.1 seconds in the quarter mile at 108 miles per hour. The Judge was loud, proud, and fast. 8. 1970 Dodge Challenger RT 446. Pack at number 8. The 1970 Dodge Challenger RT with the 446 pack. This engine featured 3 two-barrel carburetors and produced 390 horsepower. Hot Rod Magazine tested 1 to a 0 to 60, time of 5.2 seconds, and a quarter mile of 13.0 seconds at 108 miles per hour. The Challenger was Dodge's answer to the Camaro and Mustang, but with more brute force. Number 7. The 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner with the 440 plus 6 engine. Sharing the same power plant as the Challenger, this lighter Plymouth could really fly. Car and driver recorded a 0 to 60 time of 5.1 seconds and a quarter mile of 12.9 seconds at 109 miles per hour. The Roadrunner was built for one purpose: maximum performance at minimum cost. 6. 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 429. At number 6, the 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 429. Ford's NASCAR homologation special packed a massive 429 cubic inch semi-Hemi V8, producing 375 horsepower. Despite its weight, Motor Trend recorded a 0 to 60 time of 5.1 seconds and a quarter mile of 13.0 seconds at 106 miles per hour. Only 1,358 were ever built, making it one of the rarest muscle cars of the era. Number 5. The 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. With its high-revving 350 cubic inch L T1 V8 producing 360 horsepower, this was a different kind of muscle car. Car and driver clocked it at 5.0 seconds to 60 miles per hour and 12.8 seconds in the quarter mile at 108 miles per hour. The Z28 proved that cubic inches weren't everything. It was about the total package. At number 4, the 1970 Dodge Charger RT with the legendary 426 Hemi. This 425 horsepower beast could launch its hefty body from 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds. Hot Rod Magazine recorded a quarter-mile time of 12.8 seconds at 111 miles per hour. The Charger Hemi was the ultimate combination of style and straight-line performance. Number 3, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 LS6. With 450 horsepower from its 454 cubic inch big block, This was one of the most powerful engines ever offered in a production car. Car and driver recorded a 0 to 60 time of 4.7 seconds and a quarter mile of 12.8 seconds at 112 miles per hour. The LS6 was GM's ultimate expression of brute force. At number 2, the 1970 Dodge Challenger RT with the 426 Hemi. Lighter than the Charger but with the same 425 horsepower engine, the Challenger Hemi was a rocket ship. Motor Trend recorded a 0 to 60 time of 4.5 seconds and a quarter mile of 12.7 seconds. Number 1. 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. And at number 1, the undisputed king of the 1970s, the 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. With the same 426 Hemi engine, but in an even lighter package, this was the ultimate expression of American muscle. Car and driver recorded a blistering 0 to 60 time of 4 seconds.